Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mint versus OpenSUSE. Install both in VMs and test package managers, desktop environments, performance, and hardware compatibility. I'll walk you through default user experience, update cadence, and system tools so you can decide which fits your workflow. Expect clear demonstrations of software installation, recovery options, and desktop polish. By the end, you'll know which distro favors convenience versus control in practical everyday use. Comparing package management feels like comparing toolkits for system care and upgrades. I'll show installing apps, resolving dependencies, and managing repos on each distro, while explaining differences in update behavior and security branding. You'll see speed comparisons for common tasks, handling of third-party software, and how each system warns or protects you during risky updates. This hands-on approach makes package manager differences easy to understand and practical. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful distro comparisons. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Grab a pair of darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long install sessions and hackathons. They are ridiculously durable and worth it. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you snag a pair and enjoy them, now let's get back to the video. Desktop feel and hardware compatibility shape daily happiness more than you expect, so I test graphical performance, touchpad and display handling, and driver installs. I'll compare default theming, responsiveness, and how easy it is to tweak settings for power users or beginners. Expect real-world checks like resume from suspend, Wi-Fi drivers, and GPU setup steps so you can weigh polish against configurability when choosing a distro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.